Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I share a short discourse with regards to a topic that I think it's of great value to many Jamaican fish keepers. I don't know about those persons keeping fish in other jurisdictions, but I'm talking about my Jamaican peeps that actually keep fish within an aquarium. Most Jamaicans actually have an aquarium normally between 40 to 50 gallon, right? And within this aquarium, they have multiple fish. They have goldfish, yes, they have guppies, they have tetras, they have tank cleaner according to them, and they also have pleco. And you're saying, but those fish are like not really matching as to how it should be stocked. You're correct. There are certain rules of play as far as stocking your aquarium is concerned, right? You must first check to see which fish is best suited for aquarium space and which fish will practically grow to a particular size that will practically not be able to be accommodated within that aquarium space. Okay, so this video I am just sharing an experience in which I had with a friend of mine recently. So he has, I think it's probably about 55 gallon, yeah, about 50 aquarium, right? Really nice aquarium. I'm sorry for the way in which it might be looking right now, but it really looks awesome. Lights, two hang on the back filter at either end of the aquarium, lights and sponge filter, the works, right? So he bought two koi fish and he actually placed the two koi fish within the aquarium, right? He came to me the other day and he said that he wants some more fish to be added, right? So I sold him two goldfish, probably about 4 inch, 5 inches goldfish, yeah, relatively size. And he said that he wanted some other fish because the tank just look empty. Now that is where the bell actually ring. I say, how you mean that the aquarium looks empty? He says that he wants probably about 10 more fish within the aquarium space. So I said, hold off a little bit. All right. So I gave him some guppies, I gave him some guppies, some very small ones, and I said to him, listen, it is best for you to just keep these four fish, which is two koi and two goldfish within the aquarium space. I gave him probably about 6 or 7 guppies, right? Now, goldfish are opportunistic feeders. Now, although you might be saying, but the goldfish will practically eat the guppies. Well, it's a large aquarium, and he wants to see a lot of activities there. And goldfish poops a lot, koi poops a lot, and the best suited, way to get him to be, accepting that, listen, you cannot really put too much fish within this space, is to practically give him some small fish. Over time, the guppies will multiply, and in multiplying, the goldfish will practically consume it to a level. I don't think the goldfish will actually consume all of them, but they will consume, the goldfish and the koi will consume amount. Goldfish and koi are regarded as opportunistic feeders. Although they are really vegetarians, but they will nip at the fries, anything that's moving that can fit in their mouth, they will nip at it. The the advantage of having the guppy within the aquarium, this aquarium have a lot of light, right? I think it's a fluorescent bulb, yeah, going across, right? Bright light. And it's kept on 24 hours, right? Now, the significance of this is that the guppies, although the koi and the goldfish actually consume algae, but the guppies that I've actually placed within the aquarium will be quicker to consume the algae should in case it starts to build up on the glass at a much quicker pace than the goldfish. Note that the goldfish mouth is a little bit huge, so therefore it will not be able to actually grab the algae off the glass at that flat surface as quick as the guppy that exists within the aquarium. Plus, the guppy will have babies, and the babies will actually forage off the aquarium the aquarium algae, the algae on the aquarium glass, right? So, in short, my Jamaican peeps, although the aquarium look as if that it is not having much fish within it, right? do not put too much fish within the aquarium unless the aquarium can actually facilitate that. You can facilitate that with the size. Now goldfish will grow large. Koi fish, koi fish gonna grow larger than the goldfish, but the goldfish will grow large also. It's just that the goldfish tend to grow a little slower than the koi, right? A koi, those two koi, if they are kept properly, chances are he will have to either sell them to somebody else, get a big pond, or probably extend his aquarium to probably 100, 150, right? Aquarium size, right? Because up to like 12, 15 inches if it's kept properly within a few months, right? And if it's fed, it's filtration, all that is taken care of, it will be that way. Alright, so this is practically what I am saying, right? Although I place the guppies within that aquarium, and although my friend has 4 fish that has the propensity to actually grow, I think it can work, right? So this is his aquarium, and this is his story. Thank you very much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Catch you next time. Remember, live Saturday night, 8 to 9. Fish keeping Jamaica. Big up yourself. Alright, join the conversation. Leave a comment below. Right? Also, subscribe that you don't miss any more share that is published. And also, share with a friend. And remember to hit that like button and hit that all notification bell. Peace out right here.